Hey guys, welcome back. One of my favorite things about Saabs are their quirky cup holders. They are probably one of the worst when it comes to actual functionality, but you can't deny how awesome and overcomplicated they are. But mine is broken, so we're gonna fix that today. Step 1, as always, is to remove the negative terminal from the battery. Step 2 is to remove the fuse box cover here and push out on the light switch panel and all the other buttons on this side. Next, there are two torque screws in the light switch panel hole.
Oh my gosh.
Step 3 is to remove the ACC unit and the wire harness. I found that it's easiest to pry the top part first. Step 4 is to remove the two switches on the other side of the steering wheel. Then push out the SID from the side and undo the wire harness. You can feel a little tap on the side of the SID, which you need to push in. Step 5 is to remove the head unit. There's a tool for removing these GM head units, but I don't have one, so I use small screwdrivers. Push it in until you hear the lock unlatch. Then you can pull out the head unit from the back. Next is to remove the top steering column cover. There are two screws that are exposed when moving the wheel left and right. Then remove the stalks by pushing on two tabs on the top and bottom. Now we can remove all the screws. The Saab Wiz manual has a very good diagram here which shows all 6 screws. The other points are where the clips are. It should give a good idea where to pull. If you are just wanting to replace the cup holder, this is all you need to do. After removing the screws and undoing the clips, you should be able to pull the dash out just enough to loosen the 2 screws that hold the cup holder in place. If you need to completely remove the dash, it's a matter of pulling it out. However, you do need to be careful not to bend the dashboard too much because it will crack. I cracked it in a few places, so please be careful.
Whew, finally. So for those who are curious, I figured out why my cup holder is broken. First thing is this right here is broken. There's supposed to be two balls, but I only have one. And number 2, the gear here is supposed to be very hard to move. That's what makes the cup holder come out slowly, but this one is easy to move, so that was another point of failure. It's good to know. One thing I noticed is that the new one has a foam right here, but mine did not, so I'm gonna put it here.
So now that I've learned how the cup holder works, I installed the new one and put everything back in reverse order. And here is the new cup holder in all its glory. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you have any other hacks or easier ways to do this, please comment down below because I'm curious to know. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.